Hey everybody, welcome back to another Young Saadi unboxing video. Was this 4 for 4? 5 for 5? I don't know. I'm just gonna unbox boxes around the world. And I'll find them. And I'll unbox them. But today I have something really cool. Something pretty big time. I went ahead and picked up the 12.9 inch, 200. Yep. Okay, cool. Thanks. The 256 gigabytes Wi-Fi only space gray Apple iPad Pro, along with the Smart Folio and also the second generation Apple Pencil. Very excited to use all of this stuff together for just a bunch of shenanigans. So, quick overview here. I'm going to be opening up the Apple Pencil with the iPad Pro as well. This guy, second generation, it's going to... Goodness, I had a big meal today. So this guy's going to run you $129 US. It's kind of amazing. It's incredible, very low latency, high quality for drawing, handwriting, signatures, if that's what floats your boat. Now this guy here, Smart Folio, I got it in white since the iPad is in space gray. I wanted to see kind of that contrast between them, since the pencil's going to be it's going to be on the iPad, like magnetically. So, I went ahead and got this guy here. This one is, let me just quick little thing about it. You'll see it wraps around, so it's back and front, and then it does two different stand styles based on how you want to use the iPad. This is $99 US. I think it's a little much, but at the same time, no one really makes, that I've seen, no one makes like a minimal design that really rivals this, so I'm willing to pay more money for it. But if you know of anybody that does, please leave a comment below, or like a link to like their site. I would love to see a company who can do it as minimal as Apple can. So I'd like to see that. If you got it, lastly, but not, man, that's, yep, there we go. Okay, let's try that again. Last but not least, of course, we have the iPad Pro. As I stated earlier, this is the 256 gigabyte Wi-Fi only space gray. The reason that I did the 12.9 inch is because I figure I'm going to use more space. Did I say that right? Yeah, I'm going to use the real estate. It's going to be the space that where all the stuff happens on top of the. Anyway, so that's why I got this model. It's going to run you about $1,149 US, and pretty hefty price, but at the same time, everyone's talking about it. This does have a lot of the power and the capability of a computer, so it might be usable in that way. We'll find out. But anyway, if you have not gotten a chance to, please follow, like, or subscribe to Young Saadi on. If you like what you watch here, you like the content, please do. It lets me know that what I'm doing is worthwhile. So if you like it, great. If you don't, no worries, no problem. But if you do, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, obviously, and Twitch streaming. You can find me on all of those under Young Saadi. That's YUNGSAADI. Young Saadi. And you'll be able to see like a bunch of stuff there. If you want to hear me talk about pop culture and things, I do a podcast with my friend Jason. It's called Memes and Dreams. You can find us on Apple Podcasts, the Apple Podcast app. That's mouthful. But yeah, it's pretty snazzy, and yeah. But anyway, if you're still here, and you haven't clicked on like a related video in YouTube, you haven't switched to like Facebook or Twitter, or you haven't closed the window out, but you're still here with me, thank you. That's awesome. And let's say we go ahead and get into this unboxing, yeah? Cool. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing here. We have, like I said, the pencil, the Smart Folio, and the iPad right here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and get started with the iPad and put these on the side for now. And take another frame a little bit there. There we go. That'll be fine. Cool. So let's go ahead and on the side here, they give us, it's similar to my Apple Watch video. They give us this little, pull tab that you'll be able to open it up with. So let's go ahead and get that going there. Alright. Pretty straightforward. Okay, and then from there we go. Just grab it like so, and then just unwrap all that stuff. Okay, so we have the top right here. Now that there's no like home button, I can't tell what side's the top of the box. There's a little camera right there, so that's kind of something we can tell with. So let's go ahead and open this guy up here. Alright, wow, okay, cool. So pull this tab right here at the bottom. Oh man, this is insanely thin. Here, let me see if I can focus in on the specific, just look at that. That is like, what, here, let me, let's see if I have something to kind of compare. You know what? How about this? Okay, so here's an AirPod. Look how thin that is. It's as thin as the stem of an AirPod. Isn't that crazy? Oh my goodness! Okay, cool. So that's kind of fun. So I'm gonna put that right here on the side. Oh my god, it's so flat. I'm a big fan. So in here we'll have the standard Apple kind of accessory kit. So see, designed by Apple in California, as always. This is the newly designed USB-C connector to charge the iPad, which now has a USB-C port. So I'm gonna put that back in there for now. And then a USB-C to USB-C cable. So that's all the stuff that we have in there. In here, we just have like the standard, the get started materials, disclaimer, don't eat the iPad. That would not be good. And then there are, just a couple things letting you know about just general getting started use on the iPad. And then what is this? So yeah, and of course the Apple stickers as always. So that's all the stuff that comes in there, the documentation, the reading material, this and that. So I'm gonna pop that right back in here. Okay, click, click, and boop, boop, and then give a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and is this the top? Yeah, okay, cool. I'm a stickler for that. I don't know exactly why. So much air. You know what? 8 out of 10 for the air. The poofy airness. Just great job, killing it. So okay, there's that. Let's go ahead and take this guy off now. So we'll just start from here and we'll pull it around the back. Oh wow. Oh boy. Guys, I'm serious. This is one of the most slim pieces of technology I've ever held in my hands. And it's kind of blowing my mind right now, and I don't really know what to do about it. And I'm a little scared. And so, help. So we have this here. This is the 12.9 inch iPad Pro, 256 gigabyte Wi-Fi only in space gray. Now let's go ahead and get I went ahead and did, like I said before, the white Smart Folio. Let's go ahead and get that on. So you just pull this little tab here in the back. There we go, like so. And and then you push it through, and then you grab it from right there. So the folio design here, you'll see it's wrapped around the little packaging item thing already. So we'll take that right out of there, and see this part's flat on the back, and then this is the part that rolls up. So what we should be able to do here is take this guy, and then we'll feel it just, oh, there it is. It literally just, it snaps right into place with the magnets. So we can go ahead and just close that just like that. There we go. There we go. So that's kind of the look there. Very sleek, super minimal. Like I said, you know, this is just a really nice minimal design. I'm a big fan of it. So if you guys have any competitors to this kind of like sleekness, please put it in a comment below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. But before you click out of this video, we do still have the 2nd generation Apple Pencil that we will also be unboxing. So let's go ahead and let's make this happen as well. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull it right there, just like so. Okay, we're gonna open this up here on the sides. Nonsense out of there. And then, yep, for the newest versions, the 11-inch, 12.9, and yeah, so let's go ahead and open this. We got the pull tab on the side, so we're gonna just snag that, and we're gonna pull it right out, just like so. So we have this, and here is the pencil itself. In here, you have a couple of, you know, just a little bit of documentation. Don't, like, I don't know, don't eat the pencil or anything like that. Otherwise, you know, it's a bad time. And they should, oh, looks like they don't include any spare pencil tips. Kind of, okay, alright, okay, whatever. They probably should. What if I go hard in the paint, literally, and I break my pencil tip? They sell them, by the way, they do sell them, but, like, I mean, couldn't include one like you did with the 1st generation Apple Pencil? Whatever. So, weird flex, but okay. So we're gonna go ahead and take this guy out here, and then you'll see it's wrapped up, so we're gonna go ahead and just take that right off. And very nice. You have this little indent here, and then, you know, Apple Pencil. Right, let's see if we can focus in. Try this here. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. It's the last thing I do. Right there, right there. Hold on. There it is. Oh wow. Okay, cool. Wowie. That's the yeah. Look at that. It just looks really smooth on there. Really sleek. It's got this really nice matte finish, and then just this little bit of, it's just nice to hold. So I'm very excited to use that. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side here, and whoop, right back in frame here. So this guy should go. Hold on a moment. Before I do anything further, I need to make absolutely sure, documentation, that I do it the right way. So I need to know what their intended direction is. Okay, so we have the buttons here. You can kind of see it. You have the buttons up here, and then this looks like it's tip down. So I am that particular about things. That's me. So let's go ahead and put that on. So tip down. Okay, here, let's focus in again. Okay, and this should connect on this little magnet piece right here. So, wow, that's just smooth. Oh, look at that. Okay, cool. So we have that right there. On the back, we have the white pencil with the white folio, and then space gray iPad on the inside. Let's go ahead and open that guy up there, and let's go ahead and get it powered on. Okay. Let's try that again there. There we go. Boy, that was a little scary for a second. Cool. So this is how I'll be using my iPad. I won't, we won't go through all the starter stuff here. I'll go ahead and just cap the video there. But this has been the unboxing for the Apple 12.9-inch, 256 gigabyte space gray iPad Pro in Wi-Fi only with the second generation Apple Pencil and the Apple Smart Folio case. So that'll about do it for me. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, and I will see everybody next time. Cool. Thank you so much. Bye.